Mention what are the two classes in which root canal material is classified. Root material is classified into two classes, orthograde and retrograde. How orthograde and retrograde filling material is classified. Orthograde: solid, silver cones, stainless steel. Semi-solid: gutta percha, pastes, ZNO, and resins. Combination of solid and semi-solid. Retrograde: amalgam, GIC, calcium phosphate cement, DBA, super EBA. Explain what is dental abscesses. The accumulation of pus, dead tissue and other fluids due to bacterial infection is known as dental abscesses. It might either occur inside the pulp chamber or inside the gums. Explain what do you mean by air abrasion. Air abrasion is the techniques used by dentists to clean the infected area and remove dead cells. In this technique, fine particle stream is aimed at the tooth surface. The particles are made up of silica, baking soda, or aluminum oxide. The compressed air or gas is used to generate the force to clear the dead cells and tissues. How safe are dental X-rays? Exposure to excess amount of X-rays may cause cancer. However, controlled X-ray exposure are safe to use with advanced digital X-ray machines, which limits the radiation beam to a smaller area and for shorter period. It makes even safer. What does the term mean, abutment? Abutment is an implant fixture or tooth used as a support for prosthesis. What is alveolar? Alveolar is used to refer a bone that is attached to the tooth. Explain the term mandibular canal. The passage that transmits vessels and nerves through the jaw to the branches that distributes them to the teeth. Explain what periodontics does. Periodontics deals with the treatment and surgeries of gums, bones, and connective tissues surrounding the teeth. Explain what is rubber cup polishing. A rubber cup polishing is a tool that uses a polishing agent to remove the stain from the tooth surface by gently revolving it.